I am doing a collab with a hair company called ReadyWig, and I want to show you guys how the wig looks. Look at this, y'all. Oh my god, look at this wig. It is so beautiful. Woo. So you guys, let me go ahead and give you some details on this hair. So when the hair did come in, it came in this ReadyWig box, which is a beautiful box. So let's just go ahead and rate as we go. So as far as, you know, presentation, you know, how they send you your hair, I give this a 10. Okay, this is a beautiful box, y'all. I'm not gonna even get rid of this box. I'm gonna keep it. I usually keep all my boxes anyway, but this is like really pretty. So it says ReadyWig on it, and then it has the hair. And then of course they give you a wig cap, which is a plus. It's a nude wig cap. And then they also give you this this hair care card here. So let me just read it. It says, put the hair on a bracket once took off the wigs to prevent tangle, of course. Then comb the hair softly with sparse tooth comb or smooth it out with your fingers. And then it says, clean the hair twice a week with shampoo and warm water to remove dirt or grease. This is why I be telling you guys, even if it's just human hair, or if it's a synthetic wig, like, always wash your hair. And this is air dry the hair and put some hair conditioner if necessary. Keep the hair dry and clean in boxes or bags if it is not commonly used. So you guys, this beautiful wig is from ReadyWig.com. This is the ReadyWig dark blonde long wavy synthetic lace front wig, and it's 24 inches. So you guys, when I seen this wig, I'm like, cause I barely have wavy-ish type of wigs that have volume and stuff like that, and also the color is what really made me want to get it. It's like it's an ombre color, so I'm like, yeah, let me try this wig out. So you guys, when it came in, again, it was really bouncy, and you know, when I washed it, I'm telling you guys, when I washed it, the bounce, it had even more bounce when I washed it. Okay, so of course I always air dry my wigs, and it air dried very well, and it actually was no tangle. Like, literally, you guys, the way you see my fingers going through this hair is literally how it was when I washed it. Like, when it air dried and everything, like, this hair, it gave me no issues, literally no issues, which I really like. And you really don't know sometimes with certain synthetic wigs, you know, nowadays. So I would say, as far as the way the hair feels, let's go ahead and let's rate that a 10. I will honestly give this hair a 10 on the way it feels. Okay, and then as far as the parting, the lace, what I started doing is laying the hair on my head first and then cutting the lace. I actually find that very much easier. I used to be lazy and just, you know, grab the wig and then just cut it, you know, in my hand. But I do find it easier, and the hair, the lace on this hair, it lays bomb. It goes right with my hairline and everything. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and lay this hair down on my head, do a little plucking, and yeah. The lace lays so good on this hair. So as far as the way this hair lays down, give it another 10. Like, I put the glue on there, the got to be glue on there, and let me tell you guys, like, even if I didn't use the got to be glue, the way that they customize this wig, it fits your head so well. Like, it doesn't fit too tight, which I really love. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like, it fits like really, like, you know, it's secure. Like, so even if you didn't wear glue on this wig, you can just put the what you call it, the straps, just put the straps to where you want it, and it'll lay right down. Like, look at this. And what I also like about this wig is that how it gives you this right here, so you can like style, make it, you know, give it like a little volume, you know. Look at these waves, you guys. Look at that. And so what I'm gonna do is I am just going to pluck it. I'll pluck the hair. And then I'm gonna create some baby hairs. Just plucked it a little bit. Now, I'm gonna have to use the flat iron to get this down. The hair already comes parted, so you really don't have to do that much work on this wig. But let me go ahead and do these baby hairs, and then we gonna get into this wig. Okay, you guys, so I really didn't have to you know, lay my baby hairs down too much. I just did a little bit, you know, just right here, just to give it a little something, you know. So yes, look how beautiful these waves are, y'all. Now the only thing I wish is that the waves were a little more at the top, like a little more here at the top, so that it starts going all the way down. But it is a beautiful wig, and the color is so beautiful. I'm going to try to lay this top down a little more. So I just layered the hair a little bit because it was really long just everywhere, and I kind of wanted some, you know, some just some little bangs right here, make the hair stick out a little bit. I didn't really have to cut too much. A little brushing. Yes. Let's get back to this box, okay? So this box says ReadyWig. I love that we met. I hope you enjoy the hair. www.readywig.com. As far as, you know, the waves, I would definitely give the waves a 10, but I would give the way they I wish they had like layers, you know. I think it's better when it's layered. So I would give it a 9 on, just because, also the wig a 9, just because it would have been better. It would have been good if it was layered. It would have been really good. But you know, you can go ahead and layer it if you don't want to layer. You don't have to layer it. But yes, I just wanted to layer it just a little bit so I can, you know, move the hair around like this and, you know, just get it on my face a little bit, you know. But the hair looks fabulous. Look at this. Ooh, take a picture. Okay, you guys, and this wig was $42.99. So you can go on ReadyWig.com if you want to purchase this wig. I will definitely have that below right here, and I will also have the information in the description box. Again, you do have to kind of you know, pluck it a little bit as I was doing. If you want to layer it, you know, if you're that type of female where you want your hair layered, just to give it, you know, a little volume, definitely do that. You're gonna have to layer it if you do that. And as far as everything else, I mean, you should put concealer on it, but other than that, the hair is so beautiful. And let's just give this wig, I would give this wig an overall 10. Like, come on, you can't go, come on now, you can't go wrong with this. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Make sure if you enjoyed this hair review, you go ahead and like, comment, and let me know what you guys think of this color. Let me know what you think of the hair. Definitely go ahead and rate the hair yourself. I really want to know what you guys think. And let me know what other hairstyles you guys would like to see. Again, I'm doing back to back to back hairstyles, okay? All right, so yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and make sure you hit your post notification bell so you can get updated on the next video I'll be posting, and I will see you guys in my next video.